Here we are in our temporary studio. Okay, there's a disturbing new dating trend that I think we have to talk about. It's called dog fishing. Dog fishing is when someone poses for dating profile pictures with a dog that is not theirs. Yes, borrowing a friend's dog or somebody else's dog to pretend that it's their dog to get more dates online. One shrink said you shouldn't do it even if it gets you more dates because it's just weird when you're using somebody else's dog. I don't know, there's another word for it, not just weird, it's kind of psycho and lame. Right?